Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to delete your Rednote account. So first you need to open your Rednote. After you enter your Rednote, click on the hamburger menu at the left top corner. Here you will see the settings option, the gear icon. Click on that. You'll be directed to your settings. You just need to click on your account security, the top option in your settings. Here you need to click on account cancellation, which is at the end of your security. After that, you will be taken to this page. So if you need to read what it says, you can always screenshot and Google Translate it. It's totally up to you, or else just check this circle at the end and click on the red button. Here it basically means the reason, so select any one of these and click on the red button. It will give you two options. Just click on the red font one and you have successfully deleted your Rednote account. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Meet you guys in the next video.